Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost for your friends. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some basic household items, perhaps a white sheet, a ball, and some string. Preparing your workspace is also key. Clear a table or floor area so you have plenty of room to work. Think about the kind of ghost you want to create. Will it be silly, spooky, or sweet? This initial vision will guide your creative process and ensure your ghost is truly unique for your friends. Now let's talk about the essential supplies. You'll need one white sheet or a large piece of white fabric about 2 meters by 2 meters to give your ghost a flowing form. For the head, grab a small, round object like a foam ball or even some crumpled newspaper taped into a sphere, roughly 10 centimeters in diameter. Don't forget some string or fishing line, about 1 meter long, for hanging your spectral friend. Finally, have some black markers or fabric paint ready to give your ghost a friendly or spooky face. With your materials ready, it's time to assemble your ghost. First, carefully drape the white sheet over your chosen head object, ensuring it hangs evenly on all sides. Next, secure the sheet tightly around the base of the head using a piece of string or a rubber band. This will define the neck. Then gather some fabric on each side to suggest arms, letting them hang loosely. Finally, use your markers or fabric paint to draw on eyes and a mouth, giving your ghost its unique expression. This step truly brings your creation to life. Once your ghost is complete, it's time for the grand reveal. Hang your friendly ghost in a prominent, perhaps slightly unexpected, location where your friends will surely notice it. For an extra touch, consider placing it near an open window or fan to give it a gentle, swaying movement, making it seem even more alive. Then, simply observe your friends' reactions as they discover their new spectral pal. Enjoy the playful spirit and light-hearted fun your handmade ghost brings to the atmosphere, creating memorable moments for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.